Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant lettuce so you can grow it for harvesting the seeds. So here's a clip from the show. So we're going to do a saving seeds project for you. This red lettuce here is called Firecracker, and this is one of our famous lettuces that we have here. I can't buy the seed anymore, so we have to grow our own, which is fun. And I haven't done this in like 4 years, so my supply has run out and now it's time to regrow it. Hello, Tony. Are you going to help, baby? Okay. All right, so I planted the seeds several weeks ago, and now we're just going to transplant these into these 2 pots. And I want to grow them all the way to seed, so they're going to be in these pots for the entire summer. I'm going to put a plant in about every 4 inches, just kind of some around this, and then we're just going to let this grow up as a big mass, and then we will harvest the seeds at the end of the season. Okay. So I'm trimming the tops off a little bit so that we don't have big top and a small bottom. We want to balance that out so that the plant grows really well. Okay, that's plenty in there. That way, you know, if a few of them die, we'll still be okay. And then I want to mulch that a little bit. And we can put a little more mulch in a little bit later. We want to just kind of get that started. And then I can put shade cloth over this if I think that the plants need it. And I definitely have to water. So we're going to get our water can out. Our very decrepit water can. Guess it's working good enough for now. Let's see if the dog moves. Oh yeah. He doesn't want to get watered. I don't blame him. But he does want to snuggle. He's a very snuggly doggy, and we love that about him. Alright, so there's one pot, and then I'm going to do a second one, and then we're just going to watch these grow throughout the summer, and then we will teach you how to harvest the seeds at the end of the season. Alrighty, this will be a really fun project. So we're done with this. We're just going to let them grow here in the corner of the garden, and they'll be up and have seed, you know, in 3 or 4 months, so that'll be good. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 11, and if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the High Performance Garden Nuggets. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.